SAP, Integration, Features and Process Flow. SAP Global Trade Services. SAP GTS. Integration. SAP GTS is based on SAP Web Application Server 6.2 and 6.4 technology and can be connected to both SAP and non-SAP feeder systems. SAP GTS features consists of the following key capabilities. 1. SAP Compliance Management. 2. Sanction Party List Screening. 3. Export Legal Control. 4. Import Legal Control. SAP Compliance Management. Purpose supports international trade compliance issues in 3 primary areas. 1. Sanctioned Party List, SPL. Screening. 2. Export Legal Control, including embargo checking and license management. 3. Import Legal Control, including embargo checking and license management. By streamlining the extended supply chain, SAP EAP Compliance Management automates the complicated regulatory compliance process, which is a crucial factor for successful global trade activities. This minimizes the risk of penalties and fines, maximizes your company's return on global sourcing and selling initiatives, and increases your overall competitiveness by improving customer satisfaction. Overview and steps of the process. Sanctioned Party List, SPL screening. Step 1. A business document, for example, inquiry, quotation, order, or outbound delivery, is created in the feeder system. Step 2. This automatically triggers Sanctioned Party List, SPL, screening in the SAP Global Trade Services, SAP GTS system. Based on the rules that have been set during implementation, the address data in the business documents are checked against the available sanctioned party lists in the SAP GTS system. These lists, in XML format, are supplied by third-party providers and can be uploaded to the SAP GTS system. You can also create your own lists. Step 3. Using the SAP GTS monitoring features, you can keep track of all checked addresses. Step 4. An employee with the appropriate authorizations can release blocked documents for further processing using the monitoring capabilities. Step 5. Periodic checks can be set up in order to check the current available master data. You can configure the sequence that is used for checking the master data. It makes sense to set up the system so that all the master data is checked automatically after every update of the sanctioned party list. Step 6. All activities are logged in the area of sanctioned party list screening and can be archived for legal purposes with the SPL audit trail function. Export and import control and embargo checking overview and steps of the process. Export and import control and embargo checking. Step 1. A business document is created or changed in the feeder system. Step 2. This automatically triggers export and import control in the SAP GTS system. SAP GTS checks if a license is required to export or import a product. These checks are performed based on the settings in the customizing for SAP GTS. Step 3. If a license is required, the system assigns the appropriate license to the business transaction. A business transaction is automatically blocked if the applicable combination of export list number and country of destination is not permitted. Import and export control is based on a combination of the following parameters. Export list number. Country of destination country groups. Single products, special customers, quantities. Values. Step 4. The license itself contains information about permitted exports or imports in terms of quantities and values. When the business document is posted in the feeder system, SAP GTS depreciates the values or quantities of the licenses. Step 5. In addition, SAP GTS performs an embargo check for the specific business transaction. The check is based on the combination of the country of departure and the country of destination, or groups of countries. If the system detects an embargo situation, the document is blocked from further processing. Step 6. Using SAP GTS reporting capabilities, you can keep track of all blocked documents and release options where applicable. Thank you for watching. Please do not hesitate to contact us for more information. We look forward to supporting your business. Stay tuned for our next video, History of Global Trade Services.